How to use Binance future trading calculator. Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'll be showing you the ways to use Binance futures trading calculator. So the Binance future trading calculator is a handy tool for traders to calculate potential profit, loss and required margin before entering a trade. So here's how you can do it. First of all, you need to go and log into your Binance application. When you're logged in, you need to understand the calculator functions. So the Binance future trading calculator offers several functions that helps you calculate different aspects of your trade, that is profit and loss, and apart from it, the target price and liquidification of the prices, margins and many more. Now, in order to use the Binance calculator, and to use the calculator, you just have to follow the steps. You want the calculator's potential loss profit. So for that, you need to select P&L. So go to your home page or the dashboard and then click the logo from the top right hand side corner. And after you've selected that, you need to go ahead and locate P&L. So you could use the search bar tool feature. When you've actually located P&L, then you could go ahead and enter the USDT price and all of that, and you just follow the prompt that has been provided by the Binance itself, and you should be able to use the Binance future trading calculator. So by using the Binance future trading calculator, you can better plan your trades and manage your risk effectively. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.